Hello, hello, beautiful peoples! Hi guys, I'm back! So, dito lang din naman. Okay, sa garden pa rin. With my plant babies. O, diba? This is Monstera aurea. This is Monstera glutathione. Joke. Monstera albo. Na hindi nagsasawa na mamigay ng white full moon color. Yan, that is Monstera Psi Constellation. Creme brulee yung nasa likod niya, pero hindi ganun kaganda yung variegation niya because of unstable positioning dito sa garden. Kasi lipat-lipat. Nung time na nagbabagyo, kailangan ipasok sa loob kasi nga, yan yung mga maharlikang plants. Okay, collection. So, itong anthurium na ito, I don't know what's the ID, pero before, para siyang tricolor. So, bumabalik ng pakonti-konti yung color. So, ikot na naman tayo, okay? And it's maaraw. Yan. Super ano na araw. Yan. Dito lang tayo, within the area muna. Paano ba ako makataan dito? Dahan-dahan lang, huwag mong biglain. Tapos dito, that is Philodendron Spiritus Sancti. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung kanyang market price ngayon. Basta nabili ko yung juvenile form 3 leaves for 2,500 pesos. 2,500. Mahal yan. Kasi parang 1 leaf nun. 1 leafer is 1M. Nung kasagsagan ng kasikatan niya. Okay. So, that's all muna. Umabot na naman tayong 3 minutes. So, ang ending nito, gagawin ko na naman tong entry ng long form video ko. Diba? So, the garden is rehabilitating and is going back to its natural beauty. But the numbers of the plants, konti na natira sa akin. So, that's all muna. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love. Bye. God bless everyone.